The Telerik UI for Blazor Spreadsheet enables users to view and edit tabular data with an Excel-like user experience. As part of the professional-grade Telerik UI for Blazor library, this component joins over 110 native components designed to build modern applications. Adding the spreadsheet component to your Blazor application is simple, as it only requires the Telerik spreadsheet tag. In addition, when working with existing data, the component accepts a byte array through its data parameter to load Excel files. By default, the spreadsheet component allows users to download the spreadsheet that they're working with in Excel format. As a developer, if you'd like to override this behavior, you can use the export to Excel async method and customize the download experience as you see fit. The spreadsheet component provides users with built-in tools that enable precise control over the cell's appearance and data representation, including both horizontal and vertical alignment options, as well as text wrapping capabilities. In addition, the formula and function support in the Telerik Blazor spreadsheet represents one of the most powerful capabilities, enabling sophisticated data analysis and manipulation. The component incorporates 244 built-in functions that mirror Excel's mathematical, statistical, and logical operation. The component's architecture enables developers to modify the toolset, customize built-in tools, and implement custom tools to address specific application requirements. This flexibility allows for precise control over the user interface and available functionality. Beyond the component's core functionality, the Telerik Blazor spreadsheet incorporates additional capabilities that enhance accessibility and security. The component implements comprehensive keyboard navigation support, improving accessibility and productivity by enabling efficient keyboard-only operation. For applications with stringent security requirements, the spreadsheet component maintains CSP compliance, supporting content security policy standards that protect against various injection-based attacks. Powerful and convenient, the spreadsheet component makes an excellent choice for applications requiring data analysis, editing, and presentation capabilities. For more information, visit telerik.com and start your 30-day free trial to experience the capabilities in your own project.